Everyone, going to be unboxing my new Samsung watch. I've got the Samsung Watch 4 for 9,999 rupees, and this was off samsungshop.com. Comes in a good packaging. That's how it looks. I've taken the silver Samsung watch in the 44mm size, and this one's a Bluetooth version. I'm just going to unbox it in front of you. So it's a nice recyclable box. It comes with some material over here. I think these are the straps. Okay, that's a charger. Wireless charger. It doesn't support fast charging, but it's a wireless charger nevertheless. And that's the main watch itself. It's a nice silver watch. It's got a silver body, black screen, and silicone silver straps, which I'm going to change to silver steel straps. I've ordered them separately off Amazon. Let's switch it on. It's not switching on. I think the battery is completely discharged. So let's get back to that.